One of the coolest features that can really boost your game's appeal is the ability to rewind time. One of the easiest and most effective ways to pull this off is by saving the position and rotation of every object on each frame into a list, and then just playing those back frame by frame. How? With this script. You can attach this script to any object with a rigid body, and it will rewind it based on the record duration. So first, make sure all the objects you want to rewind have a rigid body. Now let's dive into the script. Alright, in the script, reverse key is the button you press to start rewinding. Record duration is how long we want to record the object's state, and is reversing tells us whether we are currently rewinding time or not. A bit further down, we've got a class where we store the object's position, rotation, velocity, and angular velocity, so we can play them back in reverse. We create a list using that class, and in the start void, we grab the object's rigid body. Now in this part, when we press or chosen button, I'm using a space, it toggles is reversing. So if it's true, it becomes false, and vice versa. If is reversing is true, we call the reverse time function. Inside reverse time, we go through all the saved states and restore the object's position, rotation, velocity, and angular velocity from each frame. Then we remove that frame from the list. Once the list is empty, is reversing gets set to false. And when is reversing is false, the recorded state function runs in update and keeps recording the object's state frame by frame based on our record duration. It also removes the oldest frame to keep the list size in check. If we want to get a bit more technical, dividing record duration by time.fixed delta time might give us a float. Since we don't want to store a decimal in our state buffer, we use mathf.round to turn it into an integer. Now let's test it out. Just attach the script to your object, and that's it. Whenever you press space, time rewinds 5 seconds for that object. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.